Dear friends, a 14-year Muslim boy has entered Dasna Devi, a Hindu temple in a tiny village called Dasna nearby Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh state to drink water so as to fulfill his thirst. Is this a crime in India? That too being a citizen of this country or a person in the eyes of the international law or international humanitarian law, drinking water in a temple, is it a crime? Certainly it is not a crime, but the assistants in the temple have approached this boy after the incident and asked for his name, and the boy revealed his name and found that he belongs to Muslim minority community, and they have beaten the boy to the extent possible and strength at their disposal, and even they have not spared to eat on his private parts of his that boy. This is the sorry state of affairs. The worst part of the story is that the video of the assault was uploaded by a Hindutva outfit and went viral and evoked the instant outrage and sympathy for the boy and condemned the insane and inhuman animosity on the boy by the attackers. But while uploading this video, we have not received any news whether it was condemned by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh state or not. It is a big question. It is interesting to note that Citizens for Peace, a non-governmental organization which focuses on child rights and abuses, have approached the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and also the National Commission for Minorities and made a complaint against the assaulters and came to the rescue of the victim, that boy. It's really an outstanding story, and the point here is that the worst part of the story is that the chief priest of the Dasna Devi temple, after his release on bail, has revealed this matter to the press media persons that in the past also, in the earlier cases also, Muslim boys had been beaten on the occasions happened to the 14 years boy in the past also, but it was not videographed and not put into the public domain, and hence it was not known to the society to a larger extent. And even he told further that what was the punishment given to that boy is justified. That was the statement given by the chief priest of the Dasna Devi temple. And he has even uttered some unqualified remarks against the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Being a Muslim, he would have exported these atom bombs even to Pakistan. That was the utterly nonsense statement made by the chief priest of the Dasna Devi temple. This is the condition. By this video, what I want to tell is that Dasna, a teeny village, is not supported by any schools, hospitals, or any other infrastructure facilities that a village is required. There is no doors to the homes of the houses in Dasna village. Most of the people are very poor and they are not in a position to earn their livelihood because non-availability of resources at their disposal to earn and live a dignified life. But the point herein is that since 1947, after the dawn of Indian independence, there was no communal violence in that village. But after these incidents, some sorts of tensions have been taking place in a teeny village called Dasna is causing a serious concern to those people who love democratic ethos and secular values to the core. The point here is that the boy, that the victim, asked this question: drinking water is a crime. What crime it is? Drinking water or being a Muslim? That was the question posed by the victim boy to the entirety of the so-called civilized association. This question should be answered by the all the authorities in India who proclaim that India is going to be one of the most powerful states in the Committee of Nations. This is the message of the video, that must question asked by the victim must be answered by all the authorities, including the Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President of India, and all the citizens of this country. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.